Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can have a custom notification sound on your iPhone. First, you'll need to download an app. Go to the App Store and search for GarageBand. The link is in the description. Download it. Once downloaded, you need to download a notification sound. To do that, go to your browser and search for any specific notification sound you want. Download it, or you can go to the Prixby website, where you'll find different sounds. Once downloaded, open the GarageBand app. Tap on Continue and allow all the privacy requirements. Then scroll over to Audio Recorder. Select the third icon on the top left. Then select the loop icon on the top right corner. Tap on Browse Items from the Files app and select the notification sound file that you downloaded. Wait for a few seconds. OK, now select and drag the file to the timeline. Then tap on the arrow in the left corner. Select My Songs. Press and hold the file that you created just now. Tap on Share. Then select Ringtone. Here you can change the name of the ringtone. Tap on Export in the top right corner. That's it, the notification sound has been created. To set this sound as your notification sound, go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Here you can set the sound for all notifications or just the one you want. Tap on one. Scroll down, and you'll find the notification sound. That's it. Here you can see the sound has been changed. This is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.